Baba. Baba.
Bossy or what? Bossy.
Hi guys.
Hello. Bye.
Bye agad.
Bye, Tata.
Wow. All that for Milad?
What's that, Milad?
Bye,
Brush teeth? Wow. You have that at home, right?
okay.
What's that?
Okay.
What?
Okay.
Lotion.
Yes, baby. Bravo, Milad.
Whoa.
Very strong.
Feeling Titanic.
Yeah, you see how strong he is?
Hi.
Marwa, hi. He's so electric fan.
That's your favorite, right?
That's his favorite toy, forbidden.
Say
Bye,
bye.
fan.
Customer service.
Oh, he cannot reach. Okay, Baba will put it for you. Okay,
Let's go, guys.
let's go.
Look at Say excuse me. Oh, you will break.
I want.
Okay, put it here. One more, one more.
Later it's broken already, Milad.
Two more. Yeah.
Wow.
Whoa. Give it to me.
And
Wow.
shuai shuai.
Stop. Oh, bravo. This way.
Baby? They don't have the zero, no?
Yeah, all the original. Hard for him.
He wants the big one. Oh. No, this one, so when you open it, it doesn't get so. Where's the Baba? Oh. Ada mo, Baba? Where's Baba? He made a mistake. He
Wow,
thought it's
what's
you.
that? For you?
Oh, chocolate. What's that?
Wow, shark.
Biscotti shark. You want that?
Whoa.
Bosu, daddy.
Kiss first, kiss.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
That high?
Milad.
So many biscuits, Milad.
Milad.
Wow. All that for Milad?
Yes.
Wow, until now we didn't buy anything essential.
Yes, it's only for snack. Where's Milad? Milad?
Where's Milad?
Oh,
He's
and
hiding.
you are here. What's that?
Oh my
Patata.
God.
Oh my God, patata.
Okay.
Wow.
Okay, Daddy will help you, huh?
Oh, we can do it.
Yeah, okay.
So yes, activity. Oh, until now it's all junk. Let's go, guys.
Baba. Baba.
Baba. Yeah.
Your title should be Shopping Junk.
Four
Get
pieces.
4 pieces, yeah. Get the back. Usually they put in the front the non-fresh.
Oh, that's a tips.
Mine.
Mine. Yeah, water.
Yes, water. Tilapia. 3 kilo. So we got 3 kilo and 4 bangus.
Gano'ng kalalaki mo? Sakto lang.
Eksakto lang.
So you should know, you look at the eye, you know if it's fresh or old.
Pag malabo or
Yeah, if it's malabo, it's old.
Which one? This one or this?
So here, this.
This one?
Yeah.
Oh my God.
It's like the ugliest fish I have seen.
Kuya, 1 kilo po nito. Dalaga. You're not walking.
Jeez, he doesn't want to walk me now, though.
What did you get when I'm gone?
Cheese and butter.
Yeah. Wow, so many yogurt, Milad. Wow. Milad. Oh, look. Look, Milad. What's that? What? Milad, you're not even drinking now? Oh, Milad, come. Take.
Batata.
Patata?
Batata.
Yeah. Oh.
China, stop selling, شوي شوي.
Look at it.
Whoa.
Oh.
Aha,
What's
boo.
that, huh?
Boo.
Oh. Hi, guys.
Hello. Bye.
Hi, agad. Fresh wine. Oh.
Nice.
So what's that?
Okay.
Carrot? Baby carrots? We still have a lot of carrots, darling.
Oh.
Wow.
Banana.
What?
Banana.
Banana? Where's the banana?
Ah,
Help Baba.
put it in the basket.
Where's the basket?
Come on, Milad. Come.
Nauutusan na. Come.
Slowly, huh, Milad? Thank you.
Thanks, guys.
Okay.
Oh, what's that?
Ah.
This one. Give it to Daddy.
Die.
Where's Daddy? Oh,
Wow,
no.
you have orange?
Ba. Baba.
Bossy or what? Bossy.
So we have 4 push cards.
I don't have this advantage card.
Sayang points. 4 push cards. R is the...
Batik.
What's that, Milad?
Batik.
Brush teeth? Wow. You have that at home, right?
Okay.
What's that? What?
Okay.
Lotion.
Hi.
Hi.
Okay.
Hi, lotion. Okay, give it to Baba. Ah, you still have that? Oh. Milad, come. We have 2 more cards, babe.
Yeah.
It's the next way. Bazaar. I will line in the back station. Oh, this is our first car. Bye, babe. Say bye, Baba. Say bye. Bye.
1,000 years later.
Help Baba, Milad. Wow.
100,000 years later, mga tao. I know how to arrange, you see? Pwede ako apply dito, guys. Look, ha?
Milad.
I know how.
Nice.
Hi.
Sige, babe. Apply daw siya dito, kuya.
Apply ako?
Apply.
May retro ka na sir, apply naman. Oo, apply ako dito.
Wow, look at the boy. Oh. Milad, you will see?
And you should sit here.
Whoa! Wow! Wow!
Okay, let's try. Big.
Milad, Bilad. Say bye, guys.